Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at a couple $40 baskets to get $19 back. A lot of this stuff is on sale and it's giving back a lot of Walgreens cash and register rewards. So it is really fantastic. Specifically, we're looking to stack this guy, which is actually a multi-use booster. So it's good for the whole month. So that's why it has that big long expiry date. But if you go into the fine print, it says once it's loaded, you can use it more than once, which is really curious and interesting. But it's 10 back when you spend 40 online or in store. And then if you are so lucky to get a paper booster printing out of the Catalina machine, ideally we're going to stack these two guys, which is the 10 back when you spend 40, and then the paper one, which is 9 back when you spend 40. And this must be done in store only, not for curbside, in store only. And you typically get that bottom one, the paper one, from the Catalina machine in store. I would probably buy something really cheap, a candy bar or maybe 2 Dawn dish soaps, and see if it might print on your account. They usually print for me once a week, but I know some of you really have a hard time not getting them. Okay, so the first deal that we're going to look at, again, is in store, and you can do this any day right up until the 9th, which is Saturday, and you need your two best friends, the digital loaded, along with the 9 back when you spend 40, so have that one on your card. We're going to be grabbing one of the men's Gillette razors for 12 bucks, and then one of the ladies' Venus razors for $10, and the promotion for these are when you buy 2, you get back $8 in Walgreens cash. We're going to load these two friends, which are two $3 manufacturer coupons. The next thing to the order is 2 bags of the Ghirardelli peppermint bark for 3, and then 3 of the Pantenes for 15. And then we're going to load this digital coupon for Pantene, which is a 3 off of 3. And then for the Ghirardelli, we're going to load this dollar digital coupon. Okay, so looking at the math for this, and let's not forget we're doing this in store, a Venus and then a Gillette razor for 22, 3 of the Pantenes for 15, 2 of the Ghirardellis for 3, for a total of $40 on the nose. You're going to get the cashier to scan your 9 back when you spend 40 paper booster, have the other booster loaded digitally, $10 in digital coupons coming off, the ones that I showed you in the slides previous. With your debit card, you're going to pay 30 bucks. Then you're getting back 19 for the 2 boosters, $8 back for the razor offer of buy 2 get $8 back, and then $5 register reward for 3 of the Pantenes. It makes this basket free and a $2 money maker. Let's not forget, as you're juggling 2 boosters, do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Okay, so moving it along to deal number 2. Again, we're doing this one in store. You need your 2 best friends loaded, which is the 10 back when you spend 40, and have that paper booster in your hand. The first item that we're going to grab for this offer is 2 of these Colgate products. So one of the toothpaste and then a toothbrush at $4.50 a pop. Load the following digital coupons: the $2.50 off for the brush, and then the $2.50 off for the paste. So that's $5 off right there. The promotion with Colgate is to buy 2, get a $3 register reward, and that is in-store only. The next item we're going to grab is a Cottonelle for $7.49, and then a Nivea men's shaving cream for $3.49. We're going to load this for the men's, which is the $2.50 off, and then for the Cottonelle, we have a $2 digital to accompany that as well. Double, triple check your Fetch Rewards account in case you might have some sort of fancy-dancy rebate to go with this, maybe an extra $1 back or 2. And then we're finally going to grab 2 of the shaving products by Gillette, the men and the women's razor for 22, and then load these 2 $3 coupons, guys. Okay, so just looking at this basket, remember we're doing this in store. We have a Venus and Gillette fancy razor for 22, 2 of the Colgate products at $4.50 a pop, that's 9, 1 Cottonelle for $7.49, and 1 Nivea men's shave gel for $3.49. The grand total for this basket is $41.98. Get the cashier to scan your 9 back when you spend 40 and have that booster loaded digitally as well. $15.50 in digital coupons is melting off. That is a large amount of coupons. You're going to pay $26.48 with your debit card. Get back $19 in Walgreens cash for the 2 boosters, another $8 for the Venus Gillette deal, and a $3 register reward for the Colgate, making this basket free and a $3.52 money maker. So that's a little something called not too shabby. Loving this. Now, guys, let's not forget to not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance as you're juggling 2 different boosters. Now, if you're more of a shopper that just loves curbside, you like to play on your phone, throw things into a basket and see how things add and subtract, and that's more your speed, and you're like, hey, these balances are way too much. I made a very specific video yesterday where it's like $10 or less in Walgreens cash, and I have like 6 different baskets. I will link it right here. You might want to check it out, and it's curbside only. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.